These iPhone accessories go way beyond basic. If you want to shoot better content, protect your phone smarter, or just unlock more from your phone, these 8 are actually worth it. First up, this one's for mobile filmmakers from Freewell. This is the Freewell iPhone Pro Filmmaker Kit, and it comes with a case that has a built-in 17mm lens mount and a custom magnetic camera island made for Freewell's Sherpa filters. You can snap on their variable ND filters that has 1 to 5 stops to instantly control your light exposure. And when you pair it with the Freewell's anamorphic lens, you unlock a true cinematic look. We're talking about wide-angle framing, signature lens flare, and that smooth bokeh that gives your footage a Hollywood feel, all from your iPhone. In this bundle, you also get a selfie grip that isn't just a gimmick. It adds handheld stability and lets you trigger the shutter remotely. Whether you're vlogging or shooting cinematic B-roll, it's a setup built for serious mobile creators. Next up, we got this magnetic extended storage for iPhone from Zyke. iPhones can't record 4K ProRes video unless you plug in an external SSD. But most SSDs are too huge or dangle everywhere. That's where this little guy comes in, the Zyke extended storage for iPhone. It snaps right on via USB-C and it unlocks the ProRes capability on the spot, which allows you to shoot 4K 120fps ProRes without storage limits. And when it comes to storage options, you get up to 2 TB of storage options. The next accessory replaces your basic MagSafe wallet and it's way smarter. This is the ESR Geo Wallet stand. The build quality is super solid, plus it holds up to 3 cards without any bulk. And my favorite part about this, it has a built-in finger loop which makes one-handed use so much easier. And the magnets on this are insanely strong. But the best part about it, it has Apple Find My built into it, so you always know where it is. You can make it make a sound through the Find My app and you can easily find it. And it's way more useful than Apple's version, especially if you're prone to misplacing things. Now for protection, this case from ESR is one of the smartest I have tested. It has a sliding camera cover that protects your lenses and acts as a built-in kickstand. You're also getting solid drop protection, texture size, and a strong MagSafe compatibility, and a dedicated camera control button for your iPhone 16. It's practical without being bulky. And to protect the front of your phone, we got the Armorite screen protector from ESR. It's super affordable and you actually get 3 in the box, not just 1. It's rated to survive over 100 drops from 1.5 meters and still stay intact. And the best part about it is the installation kit that it comes with. Hands down, it's one of the easiest installation kits I have ever used. You get no bubbles, no dust, no stress. It lines up perfectly every time. Now let's talk about power. The Charge IceMac 2 is a MagSafe compatible power bank with a built-in cooling system. That means you get faster charging without the overheating. It also supports Qi 2 wireless charging with up to 15 watt speeds, so you're getting full speed wireless performance, not the usual slow trickle. There's a built-in kickstand too, so you can pop up your phone while it charges, perfect for watching videos or taking calls. It's perfect for travel, filming, or mobile gaming sessions. If you want to show off the design of your iPhone and want the most aesthetic case out there, this is it. The Arc Pulse is made from precision machined aluminum and shock absorbing polymer. It wraps just the bottom and the top of your phone so you still get the full drop protection on the most vulnerable impact points. It's lightweight and it keeps the iPhone's original look fully visible. Now let's finish up with an accessory that is perfect for creators. We got the Craft Geek magnetic ring light. This one instantly levels up your lighting no matter which camera you're using. It's a MagSafe compatible ring light that snaps right into the back of your iPhone. You can flip it forward for the front camera or rotate it around for the rear lenses. It's pocket size, adjustable in brightness, and way more flattering than any built-in flash. And that's it for part 2 of the best iPhone accessories. And if you want to grab one for yourself, all products are linked down in the description. Let me know in the comments which one you'll actually use or if there's something I should do for part 3. Until the next video, ciao.